Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for the rest of class period today, I'm going to have you working on Glogster. 4th grade, your next project will be using Glogster. 5th grade, I haven't decided for sure how we're going to do your next project, so I'm just going to have you play around with Glogster for today. 4th grade, I will be creating your accounts tonight. That's Monday night. Hopefully your accounts will work tomorrow. If by chance they don't, please just do typing agent for the rest of the hour and I'll fix them when I get back. I'll do my best to get everything set up correctly tonight, but sometimes there's bloopers that happen. Now, to get on the Glogster, I'm going to have you start using Internet Explorer. We are not going to use Google Chrome to do this because there's problems with Flash Player. So we're going to use Internet Explorer, the blue E, to access Glogster. So we're going to click on the blue E, we go to the elementary home, and from there we are going to the library. Once we get to the library, we're going to go to Glogster here in the middle. You have to do the login up here, so go ahead and log into Glogster. 5th grade, you should remember that it's 5 of your last, 3 of your first. Your password is Vikings with your birth date. 4th grade, I will set your accounts up the exact same way. 5 of your last, 3 of your first. Your password will be Vikings with the number part of your birthday. So go ahead and do those tomorrow, and hopefully everything's going to work. Glogster is an online poster maker. Many different features and things we can do with it. This is my dashboard and all the information I have. You don't need to worry about that so much. All you need to worry about here is the Create New Glog. So that's what we're going to click on, Create New Glog. Once you click the Create New Glog, you can choose a blank landscape or a blank portrait. There are all kinds of fun templates down here in the bottom. We're not going to use those right now. So I'm going to go with a blank landscape. Okay, it used to open up with stuff in it. Now it just opens up as a blank screen, like a blank piece of paper that you have to work with. This back area is called a wall. If you would like to change your wall, you click on the wall button here. There are images of mine that I can choose, but we're going to go with the gallery. Underneath gallery, there are all kinds of folders. I can click one of the folders, double click it actually, and it opens up different images that I can use for my wall. Oh, just to be weird, let's go with the Halloween one. If I either double click it or click on it and choose use it, that'll apply it to my wall. Now I'm going to X out here, and there I have my background. Now you'll notice I lost that little bar up here. The plus sign brings it back, because now I want to put some text over the top of my wall. When I click on text, I can use plain old text, I can do paragraphs, or I have what's kind of like voice, thought bubbles is what they're like. Could click ecology. Well, why not? We'll use a cloud. Click on it, use it. And there it shows up down here. Now I'm going to X this. Oh, I can arrow it up and get out of the way too. And I can drag my balloon up here. I can stretch it out. If I double click in it, that's when I can start doing things with the text. Okay, just like every other program we've ever used, if I highlight it, I can change the fonts. And there are a few in here I can use. I can change the size by typing in different numbers. And then you'll notice it brings on a scroll bar, and that we're not going to want. There we go, let's leave it at 25. And I can change the color if I want. Alright? Then, if I click off of it, I can resize it. I can spin it. And I can move it around. Alright? These other buttons up here, for the most part, we're not going to worry about right now, except for the trash can, which would make it go away. Okay? Now if I wanted, whoops, I need to click my plus here, go back to text. I could choose paragraph and use it, and get this out of the way. Drag this up here, and I can resize it. Double click. Put text in again, and same as always, if I highlight it, I can change fonts, and I can change colors. Okay, exit out of that. Now, if I want, I can go back up here again and click the plus sign, and I can choose graphics. Oh, I'd like to find a picture of a bird, but I don't know if I can. Let's see here. Ecology. Oh, it's got some stuff like that in there. Let me get this out of the way. Oh, why not? We'll put a penguin in there. Why not? Get this out of the way. And the penguin is going to say, if we sit him in a tree, we'll sit him in a tree. The penguin says, Happy Halloween! Alright? So, we've got text, we've got graphics, and we've got walls. I think we'll stick with that for now. We can import images, we can import audio and video if we want. Let's just play with text, graphics, image, wall, and leave it at that. Play around with it, see what's in there, see what you can create. And next time I come back, 4th grade, we will start a Regions of the United States project. And 5th grade, it's probably going to be something, I forget what your teachers told me. Oh, not world travelers, but explorers. So we're going to look at explorer stuff. Okay, so just play around with this. Go ahead and create something if you want. I guess I need to show you how to save it. Okay, if we're going to finish up, we have to click the Save button. And of course, I suppose now it's not going to work for me just because I want it to. All right, let me stop this for a minute until I get ready to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've been trying to get this to save here and I'm having issues with it. Here's what I'm going to tell you to do. Whatever you create tomorrow, just plan on not saving. And you're going to have to click the X up here and you're going to have to say exit, and you will lose your work for this one time. We'll have to see if they get their saving process fixed. I just couldn't make it work at all today. So just play around with it, have some fun, create some stuff, and next time we'll make sure that the save process works correctly. All right, I will be back on Wednesday. Bye-bye.